there's a lot of batter. And instead of having to like go and try and make a waffle while I'm eating, I might as well just go ahead and make a second one for you. Because chances are, after you get through that second waffle, you're not going to want any more. Somebody's pooping while they're sitting up. You're getting so close to being a grown up. It's amazing. Are you gonna be okay? Here, some water. Really, that's what caused this problem in the first place. How did you get blueberry in your eyebrow? I mean, I'm amazed. Just if I do say so myself, these are some very fine looking waffles. Waffle number 2.
Oh my god, right.
Well, it's your birthday. So, get ready!
What?
How do they taste?
Awesome.
Tell you what, this Wegmans buttermilk pancake mix is pretty amazing.
I'm happy with the Wegmans everything right now.
Oh, you're trying to wait.
Okay, there's no way I can have it all. This is an insane amount of waffles.
Happy birthday! Oof. How are you doing? You're doing remarkably well after you just hit the ground. It's a good thing we got this mat. Thank you, Grandma. Alright, buddy. I know what you were going for, and you were doing a really good job at trying to get it.
What was he going for?
He was going for the cup. The yellow cup. Or that. Something.
Well survived. Thank God for padded letters. And on that note,